Monitoring system functions. Monitoring management function. In this section, we detail the main functions of the monitoring system, such as monitoring management, performance management, configuration management, work order management, system management, and maintenance management. First, let's look at the real-time signal function of the monitoring system. In the interface of the display device signal, we can view device monitoring information in real time, including its name, current value, unit, and so on. The collection cycle of some devices can be manually set. For example, you can set a 30-second or 60-second collection period. However, some of the acquisition cycle is automatic and cannot be manually set. Next, let's look at the indicator subscription function. After a user creates a device monitoring instance, we can start a collection task to monitor and collect monitoring indicators. It also supports filtering of the index and helps the user quickly check index statuses. In addition, on this page, users can modify, delete, activate, and stop indicators. For example, when monitoring room staff finds no display on the signal network of a certain device, they can open the indicator subscription page to check whether the parameter of the device is selected on the list. In the top right corner of the page, it will also show whether the index subscription result is successful. When the subscription task of the device is stopped, the monitoring system no longer collects index values. Next, let's look at the access control function. In a modular data center, there are sometimes channel doors preventing access to important physical areas. The access control function can support control of the doors, personnel access, access to record functions, and so on. For example, the access control page supports all access controllers to which the monitoring system has access. Users can view the state of each door and control them remotely if necessary. Also, managers of data centers sometimes need to count and record people who enter the data center. The access control function supports event records and access operations logs. In addition, some access control management also supports the time group management function, which can control the data center entry time. Another important monitoring system feature is the ability to check current alarms. Users can monitor devices and alarms and quickly locate faults and restore the network and devices in case of failure. This ensures normal operation of the data center. Understanding alarms can help maintenance personnel monitor and process alarms faster and more accurately and improve operational efficiency. The current alarm page displays the alarms generated by the various devices in the data center, including the alarm level, name, source, occurrence time, location, and so on. According to the state of alarm identification, it is classified as confirmed or unconfirmed. The alarm can also be classified as cleared or non-cleared. The identification is to identify who will track the alarm, avoiding having multiple people handle the alarm simultaneously. Confirmation of the alarm indicates that the alarm is about to or has been processed. After the alarm is confirmed, the status changes from unconfirmed to confirmed. The three current alarm page statuses are non-cleared unacknowledged alarm, non-cleared acknowledged alarm, and cleared unacknowledged alarm. Users can monitor and handle alarms according to the current alarm page. Alarms can also be exported. Next is History Alarm. The History Alarm page shows cleared and acknowledged alarms. It is for users to query statistical alarm data, providing a data source for network performance optimization. It allows to filter and search for alarm according to their severity and time. The historical alarm data can also be exported. Next, let's look at the alarm redefinition function. In the alarm redefinition page, to help the user quickly look up and deal with the key warnings of a piece of equipment, we can redefine the device's alarm and set the focus attention to the high level. Then, the maintenance personnel or engineers prioritize the alarm. Generally speaking, the alarm's name, type, and level can be redefined. After setting the alarm redefinition rule, users with administrative privileges can operate, disable, modify, and delete the rule. Next is the alarm masking function. The main purpose of masking rules is to reduce visibility of alarms that the user does not pay attention to during the testing or maintenance. Alarm masking rules support masking alarms according to time, such as a warning of a device that is masked for a period of time. They also support setting permanent masking rules based on a time policy. Users with administrative privileges can operate, disable, modify, and delete the rules. For example, when maintenance personnel in the data center change, new managers may notice that a particular alarm has not appeared and should check whether it has been masked. Next, let's look at the threshold alarm. In order to enable the user to flexibly manage the key indicators of some devices, we can make a custom threshold alarm by the key index value of the device. When a key index value falls within the custom threshold, the monitoring system warns the user in time. The index can be divided into multiple threshold ranges, so as to provide critical, major, minor, or warning messages according to the alarm level. This can make some of the indicators more flexible. Similarly, if the rules need to be enabled, disabled, modified, or deleted, the users must have the appropriate privileges. Next, let's look at the alarm synchronization function. This allows users to manually create alarm synchronization tasks on the monitoring system, so that system alarms are consistent with the device alarms. During execution, a progress bar shows synchronization progress, and the final state shows whether the synchronization succeeded. Next, let's look at the monitoring management function of a battery. Batteries are vital in data centers. On the battery management page, we can check the battery's health and use status, such as its voltage, resistance, and temperature. In addition, we can check its historical data. The discharge curve shows the discharge state of the battery over a period of time, and the discharge data can be exported. Multiple batteries can be grouped to achieve unified management. After grouping batteries, users can also view, modify, and delete the group. That's all for this section. Thank you.